PPTC Fitness, and today I'm here to show you a different variation of the push-up. Last week we did the standard push-up, so if everybody's getting good at that, by now we can definitely evolve into the hands elevated push-up. Now both of them are good, but the hands elevated push-up is going to work the upper portion of your chest, where the standard push-up kind of works basically everything. So, and it's nice to have these workouts to pretty much learn, have like a little repertoire of workouts to take with you, because you can use them at home and you can use them on the go, like in a hotel room or something. So, pretty easy. Now, if you missed last week's video, please go watch it now about the standard push-ups, because I showed you different cues to check when you actually do a push-up. So, make sure that you have a straight, flat back as you're doing your push-up. Everything's in line, your core's braced. We want to make sure that our hands are not at a 90, or our elbows are not at 90 degrees, they're at 45 degrees, and that our chin is either up, looking straight ahead, or tucked in towards our chest, so that our chest could be doing most of the work and we're not doing face push-ups. So check out the hands elevated push-up. First, I'm going to spread my hands apart. I'm going to get to the edge of the bench, kick my feet out to where when I come down, just the top part of my chest is going to be going towards the bench. Okay? Now notice how my butt's not up or sunken down, and I'm going to keep my chin up, and then I'm going to do my push-up. Pretty simple. Something to throw into your routine, something a little bit different, works a different part of the chest, and not too hard. If you have any questions on this video, on this form, push-up form, whatever, please ask now. Leave it in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that as well. My name is Ronnie Petito with PPTC Fitness. Until next time.